Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Wednesday, April 22nd. Euro traded a tad higher against the US dollar and closed at 1.0738. In economic news, Germany's current situation index advanced to 70.20, registering its highest figure since 2011 in April, and compared to market expectations of a rise to a level of 56.50. Other data indicated that the Eurozone's economic sentiment index recorded a rise to 64.80 in April. The pair is expected to find support at 1.0663, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.0600. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.0786, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.0845. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by the Eurozone's consumer confidence data, scheduled in a few hours. The British pound rose 0.19% against the US dollar and closed at 1.4928. The pair is expected to find support at 1.4866, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.4802. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.4985, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5039. Trading trends on the pound today are expected to be determined by the Bank of England minutes from its recent monetary policy meeting, scheduled in a few hours. The US dollar strengthened 0.30% against the Japanese yen and closed at 119.65. In economic news, the final leading economic index in Japan recorded a drop to 104.80 in February. Earlier today, data revealed that Japan's exports advanced 8.5% YoY in March, in line with market expectations. The pair is expected to find support at 119.38, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 119.07. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 119.92, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 120.16. The Australian dollar traded a tad lower against the US dollar to close at 0.7716. Early morning data showed that the consumer price index in Australia rose 0.2% QoQ in the first quarter of 2015, higher than market expectations for an advance of 0.1%. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7704, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7647. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7796, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7832. Gold prices traded higher by 0.64% against the US dollar at $1202.50 per ounce, as demand for the safe haven yellow metal increased after the absence of agreement over Greece's economic reforms heightened the possibility of the nation exiting the Eurozone. Meanwhile, holdings of the SPDR Gold Trust remained unchanged at 739.06 tons from its previous close of 736.08 tons. The pair is expected to find supports at 1193.10, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1187.20. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1204.30, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1209.60. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets, including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day!